Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I created this beautiful shimmery smoky glam look with a pop of color. I really like this look. It gives off a nice badass main character vibe which I'm all for this year. 2023 is all about being positive, good energy, good vibes, and of course, being the best version of ourselves. You can definitely rock this look on a date night with a friend or someone special. Also, I created this look using all Maybelline products. These are so freaking good. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I already did my base makeup off camera. You guys have seen me doing it multiple times, so I did it off camera because today we'll be concentrating on eyes and lips. Okay, let's do the brows first. For that, I'll be using Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil. On one side, it has the Twister Brow product to fill in the brows. I love the shape of it. It has a nice precision. And on the other end, it has a spoolie. It's a great travel-friendly all-in-one product. Let's use it now. I'm gonna fill in the bald spots and keep the natural shape of my eyebrows. This unique sword tip really helps to get feather-like strokes and perfectly defined brows. Also, the spoolie that it comes with is really nice and dense, blends effortlessly. I'm gonna seal this with Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel. It's a tinted brow gel that is smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof. I like to remove the excess product on the brush and start from the middle. And whatever is remaining, I like to brush it towards the front. The brush on this really allows effortless application and it is available in 4 different shades. This is definitely going to be my go-to product for every look. Brows are done. Let's move on to the eyes now. For that, I'll be using Maybelline New York City Mini Palette. This one is West Side Roses and look at that color palette. It has a combination of deep pinks and neutral hues. It's got a good combo of shimmer and matte finish shades to create multiple looks and it's very pigmented. First, I'm gonna pick up the warm brown shade and use it as my transition color, following the natural brow shape and just blending it all in. Next, I'm gonna pick up this pink color and fill it all over the lid, making sure to blend it with the transition color so there is no harsh line. Next, I'm gonna pick up the shimmery pink color and place it all over my lid. Yes, I'm gonna use my finger for this because I genuinely want the color to pop. And look at that beautiful shade. Next, I'm going to use a brush and just blend the front and the end part so it looks seamless. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky. It has the kajal on one end and the smudger on the other end. This one is sweat, smudge and fade resistant, perfect for day-to-day basis. I'm going to tight line my lashes and using the other end, smudge it a little to create the smoky effect. This is so easy to use and you don't have to be perfect at all. And this lasts up to 36 hours. Next, I'm going to enhance the smoky look with Maybelline Tattoo Liner. It has a felt tip applicator which I love, makes it so easy to create a wing eyeliner. Super pigmented, you just need one stroke for that blackout intensity. It's waterproof and it lasts up to 36 hours. I'm not gonna go crazy with this, just creating a very slight wing eyeliner to create that dark to light faded effect. And I'm gonna finish the eye look with Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Love the wand on this. It's flexible and adds a bunch of length and volume to your lashes without feeling heavy. It has a lightweight formula and it's waterproof. Just look at my lashes. Gorgeous. The eye makeup looks good. Let's move on to the lips now. For that, I'll be using Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade 230 Transformer. It's a beautiful deep pink shade, highly pigmented, long-lasting and easy to blend. It's a liquid lipstick and it dries matte but it's very comfortable on the lips. And this is the complete look. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, what do you guys think about this makeup look? I absolutely love it. And if you want to recreate it, I'll leave all the product links in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. I genuinely really enjoyed using these Maybelline products. They are so freaking good. And yeah, do get them if you want it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.